In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free McDonald's food in 2025. This is working on all devices and is going to get you free rewards points for the McDonald's app, which allows you to, of course, redeem them for free meals and food from McDonald's. This is a working 2025 glitch on iOS and Android devices, so everyone can do this. I've been using it for a long time, and it's going to get you 9,999 points for the McDonald's rewards app. And it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is going to give you a promo code, guys, that you can enter, and it's the best working method for free food in McDonald's. So let's get into it. You need to use your mobile phone and open up the internet, and you've got to go to this website, robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys, make sure you do go to this website here. This is an awesome website. Like I said, I've discovered them ages ago because I've been using this McDonald's glitch for a long time. So go to the search bar and search for the McDonald's page. Here we go, McDonald's coupons and deals. Scroll down. There is a couple of different options here. You can get 10,000 or 9,999 free McDonald's rewards points. You can also get any meal for free. So basically, you just got to select which code you want. And because these codes are limited in number, you will need to unlock your personal code, but it is well worth it considering how much free food this is going to get you. So you just got to wait for this to unlock your code, and you may see a new screen. Let's just see if we get that. Yeah, okay, so sometimes you see this where it says code unlocker. Pretty self-explanatory, but you just need to follow the instructions on this page to unlock your free McDonald's rewards points code. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code. Follow the unlock instructions below each of the apps. It takes 30 seconds and verifies you're not a robot. So I've got a list of completely free tasks here. You need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page to unlock your code, and it does take about 5 minutes. So these can be things like surveys or applications. You just need to make sure you do follow the instructions. So for example, this one here is an application. It says download and install the app and create a free account. So just basically follow the instructions for any 2 of the tasks. So in this case, you would obviously download this app and do what it says. Otherwise, you can do surveys and just like answer questions and stuff. So that's all you've got to do, guys. And once you've done that, it will redirect you back to this page where your code will be fully revealed, and you can enter it in the McDonald's app or on the website, and it's going to supply you, in this case, with 10,000 free rewards points. So that is the easiest method to get free food in McDonald's in 2025. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Any comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.